The Patka Box has a couple of the cloth head coverings in it.
The story begins like this, where I received a call from one of my friends who is a teacher. There was a boy in her class who came from India and was crying and said, "Ma'am, patka off."
The Patka Box.
How many other students are out there that are not able to voice the fact that their patka came off? So I went downstairs to my workshop and I created some pamphlets on what the patka was. As you know, I created and launched the Patka Box. Additional information that's in the Patka Box are what is a patka? And those informational guides will help you understand how to pronounce the word patka. You might come through some challenging moments in your life that may stop you from wearing the patka. But close your eyes, listen to your heart, and see what answers you get.